Aloha Kako. Today we have Activation Blizzard, and this is for women. So when you click here for the application, I can read to you more information. So before you apply to be considered for the scholarship, be sure you have your resume or curriculum vitae and motivation letter handy. The deadline to apply has passed, however, it will reoccur depending on when you view this scholarship. So here is the eligibility criteria. So it is open to all female identifying as females, non-binary students. U.S. based candidates must be returning to the university, and then European based candidates must be in your penultimum, sorry, I don't know how to say, or final year of university or vocational school. Then you must be able to attend the full GDC event that will be broadcasted online. And then you must be 18 years or older. So here you go. This is it's super simple to apply to. This is the exact link. And once you're done, you click apply. Good luck and mahalo for watching.